Expansion local digital ship owner 554. Many think of Candina as a Latin supplier, but I remind ship owners when we had a fleet of containers plus COVID around the Fiji trade that we had a huge problem with a ship owner asking solutions. Why? Because all Kiwi schools are not full for merchant officers and ratings. Then we have the issue of the COVID in the Philippines, Indonesia. China was locked. India had also its own logistical problem. So we solved the supply with about 400 pool of Fiji very good crew. Some still say that the Fiji crew have this or that issue. I say, thank you, Fiji. You are really number one in looking after your citizens that vote for you and training the maritime officers school and rating. I hope that you continue with that, please. It's very important to serve our own way. Don't listen to others. You have the best waves and the best schools in the planet and the best Fiji crew. So we did solve this local expansion in Fiji. Yes, this is Candina. We can really do this thanks to our 170,000 database of seafarers, growing towards 200,000. That's the KPI. So I focus my really expertise is statistics, so I look after these numbers every day because I have a passion to build your business. Question is, you want me to build your business in Angola, Cameroon, in India? What country in Latin America are you fond of? Then think about this expansion, because Candina is really an expert into having this crew, making these videos like this one, calling for seafarers, having the face, transparent face of CEO, informing terms and conditions to the seafarers so we can build your ship owning company. You don't know how big we can build it, do you? Because we are here for 126 years, so think about 126 years. Thank you. Bye, ship owner.